Ginette TED, and today I will be analyzing a TED Talk by Chimamanda Adichie. Adichie explains that a single story is half a story you hear about a culture, religion, or an ethnicity. An example of a single story is when we all heard the news that immigrants were all rapists, murderers, and or drug dealers. But we didn't get the other side of the story about immigrants, which that impacted us greatly because a lot of people were angry at immigrants because they didn't hear the other side of the stories about immigrants that are hardworking and providing a better life for their families. Adichie has great perspective on this topic because she has been on both sides. She has experienced people treating her like a single story they heard about Africa, and she herself has treated people as a single story she heard about their country. Chimamanda graduated with her master's degree in creative writing at Johns Hopkins University. Since then, she has written 3 novels, and she actually has written a book on this specific topic called Half of a Yellow Sun, which is about her life and how others around her were affected by single stories. She was born and raised in Nigeria, and that's what made her want to write the book about single stories about her own country, because she has experienced it firsthand. The lens I chose was culture and social because it's what I thought would make the most sense. We all have some type of diversity to us, whether it be the color of our eyes, the way we look, the color of our skin, or just by the way we look at a certain topic. As we grow up, we are being taught what sorts of things people like us believe in and what sorts of attitudes we have. These will influence how we see the world around us. As we try to put ourselves into different racial groups and different culture groups, we are just excluding others from getting the full story about our full truths.
Of Africa, a single story of catastrophe. In this single story, there was no possibility of Africans being similar to her in any way, no possibility of feelings more complex than pity, no possibility of a connection as human equals.
Chimamanda's roommate only had one story, and it affected their relationship significantly. The lesson that Adichie was trying to teach us in this TED Talk is that single stories create stereotypes, and the problems with stereotypes is not that they are untrue, but that they are incomplete and they make one story become the only story. Thank you.